You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. This is, yes indeed, the same word, it's just a different spelling. The top one is the British English pronunciation, the one used in the UK. Let's call it Standard English from England, Britain. Now the bottom spelling is the American pronunciation, the American spelling. So harbour is how the British English pronunciation is, harbour. Stress on the first syllable, harbour. American pronunciation is as harbour. Harbour, American, British, harbour. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.